Welcome back to Master Art Now Academy, and we are continuing our Eagles Wing. Today, you're going to experience something that women haven't felt in a long time: mental slowing, calm focus, and gentle relief. So, here you can see I'm just getting some of those feathers in a little bit better and adding a little more sharpness to my lines. And I want to make sure that my angles are correct as well. So anxiety speeds everything up, as we well know, but peace slows it down. And your body feels the difference pretty much immediately. But you don't just want temporary peace, you want lasting peace, the kind that passes all understanding. When reading more of Isaiah 31, it says, "But they that wait for Jehovah shall renew their strength." Do you know what that word means there, wait? It means to eagerly look for. And renew means to pass through, grow up, and change. So it's not that we simply wait on God to change our situation. We are leaning in to expectancy to see that our situations will change because He told us they would change. So we're leaning into truth, His truth. And in the process, He's growing us up. He's stretching our faith, yes, and it's uncomfortable, but we move from glory to glory, right? So here again, I'm still working out these details of the feathers. I'm sort of grouping the feathers at this point, and so each feather within that little shape will be several. So sometimes 3, sometimes 4 here. And so I'm just switching my pencil so I can get a little bit sharper lines in through there. So feathers are created through layers, not force. When weary people learn to rest in God, they are strengthened for whatever season of life they're in. As you practice these feathers, practice breathing more slowly. This is more than art practice. You are teaching yourself that you don't have to live in constant survival mode. Many Christian women, many women across the board really, block their own peace without even realizing it. So here I'm just sharpening up the lines, refining the tips of the feathers, and that line kind of falls in front of the other. You always want to make sure you're giving some variety in your lines. You don't want all the feathers to appear exactly the same. But even in this process of the repetition of these feathers, it's a calming practice, and it's very pleasing in art as well. In the next video, I'll show you the 3 hidden mistakes that keep anxious women not only physically exhausted, but emotionally exhausted too. I'll see you on the next one.